Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we will guide you through setting up taxable and non-taxable items in your system. First, navigate to Settings. In the Sales Tax section, let's start by creating a 20% VAT profile. Click the New button, select Basic Tax, enter the name and rate, then click Save. Next, let's create a tax-exempt profile for non-taxable items. Again, click New, select Basic Tax, name it Tax-exempt, set the percentage to 0, and click Save. Now, there are two ways to apply these profiles to your items. Method 1. In the Tax menu, select your tax-exempt record and tap the Apply to Items button below. Here, you can enable all items that should be tax-exempt, then tap Apply to save your changes. Method 2. Go to the Menu section, select an individual item. In the Tax section, tap the button on the right, and then select the VAT profile from the list, then tap Save to update. Now, let's verify everything in the POS section. First, add an exempt item like milk to your order. As you can see, the tax is 0. Next, add a taxable item like a latte. You'll see the 20% tax is automatically applied. Finally, let's review the reporting. Go to Reports and select Tax Report. Here you can see a summary of your taxable and non-taxable sales, along with the total VAT collected. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one. Bye for now.